guys! Kamusta? My name is MC and syempre I'm back. Nice to meet you again po. And for today's video, another reaction po ang gagawin natin in the name of Cover OK PH. I think malamang nasa Pinas to, no? So nakita ko si ate girl na I think she's 17 or she's 19, 18. Ang bata pa ni ate girl na napadaan ata to sa mall. Tapos ang kanta niya is, cover song niya is Naririnig Mo Ba Ako by Morissette Amon. Yes, Morissette Amon is my favorite singer. So, try to react this. Thank you so much for Cover OK PH for sharing this wonderful
Mapriso ka!
tayo guys. So, pasensya na. Wonderful video. So, salamat sa yung pagbahagi ng video and I try to react this with you. Syempre kasama ko kayo guys and thank you so much. Samahan niyo ako, pakinggan natin yung boses ni ate girl na napakaganda, napaka-cute, nakasombrero siya. So, let's go! Lakas-lakasan natin. Wow! Si kuya nakatingin sa likod. Ang dami nila nakatingin. So, grabe, isa lang masasabi ko kay Ate Girl. Congrats, Ate Girl. Viral na viral yung mga music mo pala. And another saying to cover age in the Philippines. Thank you so much for sharing this wonderful video. And isa po ako sa na-touch dun sa kanta ni ate na grabe, parang Morissette Amon original. Ko ito, isa ito sa pumapangalawa kay Morissette Amon. And sana sumali siya sa mga contest na para ma-recognize din yung boses mo. Yan lang muna guys, and thank you so much for watching this video, and this is MC saying goodbye and see you in my next video. Good morning!